Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sweet Fruit Diet. And today in my kitchen I would like to share with you a special recipe, national Belarusian or Slavic cuisine, which will help you to lose weight. Make this special Solanka, Slavic Solanka, at least 2 times a week and you will lose fat, belly fat. I promise you, because the ingredients for this Solanka is most of all vegetables, which is very good for digestion system and will not give us overweight. We can eat this food as much as we want, and today we're going to do vegetarian version. Let's go started. Solanka is a favorite village product. Very long time ago in a Belarusian village started to make Solanka, and nowadays more and more people think the national Belarusian cuisine it's potatoes, but potatoes came from America, as you know, and cabbage, especially cabbage, is national Belarusian cuisine. Also Solanka version we can find with meat or with tomato, with mushrooms. Solanka could be even soup, but in my childhood I remember this kind of Solanka, and I'm going to teach you what kind of ingredients do we need for Solanka. This kind of ingredients we will need for Solanka. Cabbage, usual cabbage, onion and garlic with some green stuff, parsley, brown sugar, or you can use usual sugar. I will prefer brown sugar. Maybe it's too much I put here, but we will see in the past. I have pepper, black pepper. I have turmeric. In the original version it look like that. I highly recommend it to you. I just put in a small container for better use. Usual salt or sea salt, usual cabbage, which I already cleaned, put in the water to not make it dark, mushrooms, osset, soy sauce, some of the list, lavrowy list, how will be in English, lavrowy list. Yes, 3 absolutely enough. Also olive oil or usual olive, I will use olive oil, and tomato pasta. No, that's all. I already sit and prepare my onion, which I'm going to cut in small pieces. It should not be very teeny, doesn't matter actually, because we are going to now we are going to fry our onion with olive oil. Our onion is going to fry around 7 minutes, and this time we'll prepare our carrots. The best choice to prepare a carrot is 2 equipment, which we are going to use, not to make a mess. And we're going to mix this with our already onion. Let's go. always like that when you do something. Another 7 minutes, and then we're going to put our tomato paste. Right now is a good time to prepare our cabbage, and I am going to show you what we're going to do with this.
Congratulations. Where did you buy this telephone?
Another 7 minutes. I'm going to put in our cabbage 2 spoons of acid, a little bit of salt, need to prepare our green. sugar, and our pepper and turmeric. Oh, it's possible to put more. It's all friends. So we have too much cabbage and it's possible to put even more of it. It will not be a lot, believe me. And now I'm going to put my gloves and right now mix everything. A little bit more sugar. Juice should be, cabbage should provide juice. Everything should be mixed. The final is we need to prepare our mushrooms because our Solanka is going to be with mushrooms. I prefer to cut mushrooms in a thin slice. Вот так. Our mushrooms is completely ready. Let's go to fry it. Our cabbage is ready. And without oil, our mushrooms. I'm going to put here. As you see, our mushrooms is already done, and it's time to replace mushrooms to our cabbage. And our list 1, 2, 3. Voila! Replace this, turn off. Mix this one more time. Bye bye. 45 minutes. Video. And now let's try our national Belarusian food. Solanka. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please like it. Put the notification bell if you want to see more videos about healthy lifestyle, how to lose weight, and a healthy recipe. See you next video. Bye bye.